Hey, 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 welcome back to my channel. Let's pick a card. Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. Which item has our quotes today? Let's pick this cute little box. I think everyone deserves a person like you. 1. Make a list of things that make you happy. 2. Make a list of things you do every day. 3. Compare the lists. 4. Adjust accordingly. What's on your list? Document the moments you feel most in love with yourself. What are you wearing? Who are you around? And what are you doing? Recreate and repeat often as possible. Today, I hope you find something that makes you laugh so hard you almost pee your pants. And the last one today, your direction is more important than your speed. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.